390 Wagon Master here, just showing you guys a radio that I really like a lot. It's not exactly the best performing radio because it's an 858 chassis, but to me this is like the holy grail of mobile CB radiddaloos. It's kind of dirty, but this is an unmodified 100% box stock President Adams. Talks pretty good. I am on an antenna, so my wattage is going to be off just a hair, but here's what we got going on with it. On single sideband, hello radio, 1, 2, 3. I'm at about 8 or 10 inches away from the microphone, and we're averaging about 8 to 10 watts, with about 20 watt on the peak. That's an RMS meter, by the way. And it's just doing that because it's just unmodified. So the limiter's holding it back and everything, but to me, this is like the holy grail of mobile, well, old school mobile CB radios. President Adams, I searched for a long time before I found an unmolested Adams in good shape, and I do not have the bracket for it, unfortunately. I think the bracket's probably damn near worth as much as the radio. But anyway, that's what we're running tonight on Saturday night on 385. Of course, there's no skip. That gets repaired tomorrow. I let the smoke out of that a few weeks ago, as you guys recall. But yeah, I was very, very, very fortunate to find the Adams. And when I got it, the backlight was burned out and the meter was stuck. You could hardly turn the controls because they just were never turned, and so they were really tight. So I deoxed all this. Usually when I upgrade a backlight to a radio, I usually use a white LED, but I wanted this to be original, so I just use an incandescent bulb because I like that factory look. I was at one time thinking of putting a blue LED here and then a white LED in here. I have the blue digits for this, but I did not do that. I just like this stock look. Love the Adams. Just love it. Now it's an early 858 chassis, so it's, you know, a decent performing rig. It's not bad. And this was the bad boy. This particular 858 chassis is what I believe CPI and Stoner were trying to chase. I believe those guys were trying to chase the quality of this particular board. All right, leave questions or comments down below. I appreciate you guys watching. And I got the Midland 79-893 going, cleaned up as much as I can. It's kind of a quirky radio, but that's going to go on the CB radio garage sale next week. Thanks for watching, guys.